Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and keeping safe. Thank you so much for the 50k subscribers, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing. Please continue to do so, and I hope you like the content that I create. In today's video, I have something very exciting. I received Darling package. It's called the Empress Collection. I was so excited. You know, you guys, how I love wigs and weaves. They're my go-to style. So I received this amazing box. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It's really pretty. So I received this amazing box. So they have 4 pieces of hair, new hair. It's called the Empress Collection, and the theme is to step up your game. So what I really liked about them is the variety they offered. So I'm going to unbox this box, show you the different hairstyles, and then try them on myself. And then you guys can see. You can get the hairs at AFRICA SOKONI. I have a code. If you use that code, you can get 10% discount. So for example, if you use my code and the hair was 14.50, you'll get a discount of 145 shillings, 150 nearly. So please ensure to use the code. We'll put it here, and we'll link where you can buy the wigs down below from AFRICA SOKONI. I'll style them, and you guys can tell me which is your favorite, what you like. But for now, I'll talk a bit about the hairs, and then I'll go to trying. I'll start with the first one in the box. It's called the Silky Straight. So that's how it looks like. It's 100% pure blend. I'm going to touch it to get the feel. I think this is number 2. It's not completely black. I like the texture. It feels like human hair. What I really like most about it, guys, when I open the box is they have 6 bundles. This is not something easy to find, guys. I've been putting wigs and weaves for many years. So what happens if you buy hair, you buy them in bundles? You tend to find most hairs come with like a full head is 3 or 4, but this come with 6, and this means it's enough to give you a full head. People like me who have small tiny head, my kids call it eggheads, we really need hair with a lot of body. So these 6 bundles will be enough for me. So this is amazing. That's one thing I like about it. Also, you can reuse it, you can restyle it, you can wash it, which is amazing. An amazing price point. It's not expensive as what we have locally in terms of wigs. You can use it as a wig, you can use it as a weave ponytail, you can use it as tracks. There are so many uses of it, guys. So for maintenance, you can wash it and then use the Darling detangler to comb through from the ends to the top, and you can reuse your wig. You can style it using heat. And what I like about it, as you can see, it is 6 bundles, but we have them in different inches. So we have 2 16s, 2 14s, and 2 12. This is amazing because you can layer your hair. What I mean by layering, you can use the 12 on the top, then followed by the 14, then the 16, and that creates a very good illusion of layered hair, like your natural hair, the way it naturally grows from your head. So this is the Silky Straight, and I can confirm it's number 2. Second, we have the Body Wave. As you can see, the same 6 bundles, meaning you have a full head of hair. It is more wavy than the straight one, the Silky Straight one. It's number 1B, so it's a bit darker, it's a bit more black. Again, there are so many ways you can use it. You can use it as a wig, you can use it as a weave, you can use it as tracks for those people who have relaxed hair. It feels very soft. As you can see, I'm able to run my hands through it. So this is the Body Wave. This is the second one in 1B. Again, you can wash it, you can restyle it, you can use it over and over again. The third piece of hair is the Peruvian Wavy, and this is number 1B again, or stroke 33. You can see it has highlights of dark brown. Again, 6 bundle, all of them layered. We have 12, 14, 16, and guys, you won't believe it, this goes for 14.50, guys, for all the 6 bundles. It's amazing. It's affordable hair. It's exactly what the market needs, guys. We all don't have to go deep into our pockets and spend thousands of shillings. You can get something affordable like this, and again, it is reusable. You can wash it and reuse it. So this is a Peruvian. It has highlights of dark brown. It has more body, as you can see. So this one goes for 14.50, and it's a Peruvian Wavy, number 1B. Lastly, we have the Brazilian Wave in 1B. This is the most interesting of them all. I don't think I've ever worn hair with so many curls. So it's a Brazilian Wave. As you can see on the model, it's very, very curly. It also goes for 1450. Again, 6 bundles, full head of hair. And again, this is very nice, for example, for people who like having the ponytail effect where you have your own hair, it's relaxed, or maybe you put hair gel and then at the end you put this as a ponytail. I wish I could try it, guys. I'll see how it goes. I don't have edges, but I'll see how it goes. I'll try it for you in my own way, guys. So guys, the hairs are all below 2000. The Silky Straight is 1095, the Body Wave 1095, Peruvian Wave 1450, and the Brazilian Wave 1450. For 6 bundles of hair, you cannot beat that. You cannot beat that in the market. Hope you enjoy. Let me know which is your favorite, and I'm very excited. And thank you, darling, for having such affordable quality hair in the market so that all of us women can slay, for lack of a better word, so that we can step up our hair game.